Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Today's simple and delicious recipe is ceviche. Ceviche has been around for hundreds of years. Typically back in the 1700s in Peru, they would use raw seafood and use citrus to not quite cook it, but it firms up the flesh of the fish. I'm going to cook my fish. I've found that several of my guests, and my wife Kelly, she enjoys her seafood cooked. So I'm pre-cooking my shrimp today, and we're going to make a lovely ceviche. And then I put in a special ingredient at the end that I'll show you. Let's put this together. I've got all my ingredients ready to go. I'm starting off with 2 cups of shrimp. I pre-cooked this. I let the water come to a boil, put the shrimp in. When it comes to a boil again, cook it for 3 minutes. Remove it and then put it in a cool bath of water and ice cubes to chill it down. Then I dice them up about 1/2-inch pieces. So let's get that in our bowl. Next, we're going to have a 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion. Next, we have a 1/2 cup of finely diced cucumber. Then we're going to put in a cup of finely diced tomatoes. I'm going to put 1 diced avocado. And 1 finely diced jalapeno. Give it a nice little bit of heat, flavor. I've got 2 celery stalks, just small celery stalks, finely diced. I'd give it a nice little crunch. And then I have about a 1/2 cup of finely chopped cilantro. I love cilantro. If it's not a favorite of yours, just take it out. Maybe put some parsley in. That's my motto. If you don't like an ingredient, take it out. You make it your own. That's what cooking's all about. Then the juice of 1 whole lime and the juice of 1 whole lemon. A little bit of salt and pepper. Now, I like to add some hot sauce to this. Again, to your preference, to your taste. Put in a little bit of hot sauce. You can put it in now, or you can put it in later. And here's the special ingredient that I like, Clamato Juice. I'm going to put, this is a 1/2 cup. I'm not going to put it all in. About 1/4 cup. But put in as much as you like. We'll get this mixed up. I like to chill it in the fridge for at least a couple hours. 2 hours will work. And then I'll show you how I'm going to plate this up and a couple different uses that you can use this. Look at the colors, it's beautiful. It's going to be so good. So here it is all plated up. Doesn't that look delicious? I've just got some little Tostito scoops over here in these 3. And then I came across these little mini soft flour tortillas. You just warm those up in the oven, put the ceviche in there, and then finally a nice little martini glass. Wouldn't that look great serving for guests? You could put them in your martini glasses prior to having guests over. Simply take it out of the fridge and serve it. Well, there it is. I think I better try something here. It's my favorite time. I get to try the goods. It's so fresh looking. Oh boy. Oh, so good. You're gonna love it. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can find all my recipes on YouTube. There's a little arrow on the right-hand side, directional arrow. You click that, scroll down, and my recipes are there under each video. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.